good, y'all, man? What's happening? We back again with another video, but this time we got some special early heat for y'all, man. Everybody's been kind of in tune with the Fearless pack lately. I got something early from the Fearless pack, a pair of Jordan 1s, of course. We're gonna get right to those in a minute, but before we get to the shoes, man, y'all already know, go ahead and do your boy a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you can stay up to date with me when I drop some new heat, man. Now here we go for this early unboxing, man. I already gave y'all a hint, told y'all it was a Fearless shoe. Got the red Fearless box, you know. The tag reads AJ1 High, Zoom Fearless, multicolor, varsity red and black, size 11.5, personal pair. Retail price $175. Let's get straight to it, man. You know, regular box. Got the paper. Boom. The Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Fearless, man. Now, as y'all can probably see because of the light that I'm using to record this video, you probably can see this 3M like going crazy maybe. I haven't really been able to check, but if you can see the 3M already because of this light, it's probably shining really bright, maybe like giving off some greenish or purplish colors, like an iridescent 3M. I really like this, but in reality, without the high flash and the high light, the shoe is it's really a solid black 3M. It's really smooth color, man. Once I get up close and personal, you'll be able to see the black and the 3M differences. But it comes with red and green laces, you know, it has the Zoom Air technology in here. Now the soles on the Zoom, compared to a regular pair of Jordan 1s, these have like a lot of bounce to them, if that's the word to use. It has a lot of bounce to it. Like once you get this shoe in hand and kind of push down on it, you can literally feel the Zoom Air, man. It has the clear bottom on here where you can see the Z's and the Zoom from the sole that they put on the inside of the clear insole, the clear outsole. So, you know, man, overall, just a clean shoe, man. I like Jordan 1s a lot, man. If you probably can notice from the channel, I do pretty much grab almost every Jordan 1 that releases. If I like it, I'll grab it for sure. But I wouldn't mind if they did, like, the Zoom Air technology on maybe, like, some breads or, like, some OG colorways. I don't want them to get carried away with, like, the 3M and just doing new colorways with this technology. I want to see them kind of mix in the old colorways, the OG styles, with the new technology. I tried these on, and like you literally can feel the difference in between this and the Jordan 1. So I'm excited to see what kind of projects they do with this Zoom Air. Now these drop on December the 7th for a retail price of $175. Shout out to my guy Will G out of New Orleans, man. He helped me out. He helped me grab these early. So I can go ahead and do the review on them and get a little wear test in them, and I'll let you know. I'll come back with another video for the wear test. But like I said, man, Jordan 1 High, Zoom Air, Fearless. I believe it's the Chris Paul pair out of the pack. Everybody's pair had like a name attached to it, certain artists, certain designers. And this one was marketed as the Chris Paul pair. So we'll see if the hype picks up as the weeks build and it gets closer to the release date. I posted these in a couple of group me's. Mainly Flight Crew 210, it's a San Antonio based group, and a lot of the guys in there were feeling this shoe. So I feel like the hype will build. It's a Jordan 1, you know. So I feel like it's gonna be a good shoe, man. I like it. Excited to see what colorways they come up with. Very comfortable, man. To me, it kind of combines the comfort of a Flyknit. Even though a Flyknit didn't have the Zoom technology, it combines the comfort of a Flyknit with the uppers of a OG style Jordan 1, man. So I'm excited to see what they come up with, and we'll see, man. I think this is a nice direction for Jordan to go in, to stick with the OG silhouette, just update the technology and not necessarily come in with like the Son of Mars type stuff and the Just Done. We don't need the mashups. Just give us the OG stuff, the OG styles, the original styles with some new technology. And I think a lot of people within the sneaker community will really vibe with this. But obviously, man, without further ado, let's go ahead and get up close and personal with this Jordan 1 Fearless. And you guys can see the smooth black 3M. You guys can see some of these details. See this Zoom Air. See this perforated tongue that they did with the Zoom Air. And you guys can really give me an honest opinion on them. You guys can really just let me know if you like them or not. Let me know if you like the 3M. Let me know if you like the red and green laces that come with them. Let me know how you feel about it, man. Let's get up close and personal, man. Let's get it. Now, getting up close and personal with these Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Fearless. You know, it has the OG red Fearless box. Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Fearless, multicolored, varsity red and black, size 11.5. Retail price of $175. Has the card, says limits like fears are often just an illusion. Has fear on the back. The paper says the same thing. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. Getting right to the shoe. Here we have the Zoom ones, the Fearless. Now, as you guys seen earlier in the video, the 3M was like popping. So this is how it looks like with the smooth black, without a harsh light on it. So it's a smooth black shoe. Has the zoom on the side to show that it has the zoom technology. Zoom air on the tongue, zoom air on the insoles as well. And as you can see, like on the tongue has like a little perforated tongue. I guess that's the new for the zoom air, adding more to the technology, maybe a little breathability. On the outsole, you see the zoom outsole on the bottom. That just shows that they had to zoom in there. Like how they went with the clear outsole. Maybe it won't last long wear-wise, but it's gonna look good for a little while. Comes with an extra set of laces in red and green, and black is already on the inside, of course. So just overall, just a smooth black shoe until the 3M hits. It turns into a whole different shoe, man. When I posted on my Instagram a few days ago, a lot of people were asking me, I put pictures with without the flash and pictures with the flash. People were asking me, it's like, is this the same shoe? I'm like, yeah, man, it's the exact same shoe, just looks totally different, man. It looks crazy with the flash on. So like I said, it has the red laces, you know. Overall, clean shoe, man. Now, here is some shots with it with the flash on, and this is just crazy. You can see like hints of like blue, maybe a little purple, a little green in there. You see a little pink. The flash just, it's the 3M on these is crazy. I don't know if they use different 3M. Maybe I'm tripping and haven't seen some 3M like this before, but the 3M on here looks crazy. It looks like Mario Kart when you eat a star and you start going crazy, start flashing. That's exactly what these look like, man. So I like them. Hopefully you guys like them. They drop December 7th, man. Let me know how y'all feel. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Fearless. You've seen the details. You've seen them up close and personal. You've seen the extra color laces. Let me know how you feel about them, man. Do you like the 3M? Are you looking forward to trying on the Zoom Air? They come out December 7th, man. So let me know. $175. Let me know how y'all gonna feel. Let me know how you're gonna take this release. Let me know if you're gonna grab them or just let them sit, man. That just about wraps it up. Till next time on next video. Peace.